Good day, everyone. By now, most of you may have seen the new Gasparilla Secondary Term 2 timetable, which is the 10-day cycle timetable, which will be starting on Monday, February 7th. I would like to give a brief explanation of how this timetable works. As the title says, it's a 10-day cycle timetable, so that the timetable no longer would run from just Monday to Friday as 5 days. Instead, it will be running over a 10-day period from starting with cycle 1 from Monday, February 7th until Friday, February 18th. This has become necessary due to the Ministry of Education directive for lower school students from Form 1-3 to attend school. Now, because these classes comprise 30+ students, it is necessary to split these classes into two, which is Group A and Group B, for safety reasons. Form 4s and 5s are not being split since they are smaller classes and will remain as they are. Now, the adjustment to the timetable days are necessary to accommodate the split classes, since half of a class would be attending school at a time. So, if we look, for example, on Monday, February 7th, you will see the timetable is day 1A, and on this day, we have Form 5s, Form 4s, half of Form 2s, and half of Form 1s attending school. On Tuesday the 8th, we have day 1 again, B, and we have Form 5s attending, and the other half of the Form 2s, which is Group B, and the second half of Form 1, which is Group B. Now, the timetable day 1A and day 1B is the difference that we have to look at. This has become necessary because of the split classes, and the work that is being taught to the half of the class that's coming in on the first day will have to repeat it to the half of the class on the second day. So for this reason, the standard timetable, which would have been your, let's say, your Monday timetable, if you had math, English, science, Spanish, that entire timetable will be repeated on day 1B. So the same subjects that you would have had the first day, you will have it on the second day. On the Wednesday the 9th, you will have day 2A and Thursday day 2B. This would be the timetable you would have had, your traditional timetable, which would have been your Tuesday. So let's look at the key, which explains these. So day 1A and B is the standard Monday timetable, which will be repeated on those 2 days. Day 2, A and B, is your standard Tuesday timetable, which will be repeated on those 2 days. Day 3, A and B, which will fall on the Friday the 11th and Monday, February 14th, will be the Wednesday standard timetable. Day 4, A and B, which will be falling on Tuesday 15th and Wednesday 16th, will be your Thursday timetable. And day 5, A and B, which will be February 17th and Friday, February 18th, will be your standard Friday timetable. So during the 10-day period, you're still getting 2 Mondays, 2 Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, but you're just grouped together instead of being in separate weeks. So it runs for the 10 days as one cycle. So the cycle will run from February 7th to the 18th, and then the second cycle, cycle 2, will begin on February 21st, running until March 4th. On any one day, we will have half of the Form 1s and 2s coming in, or on the Wednesday, we will have half of the Form 2 and 3 coming in, with the other half on the second day. The day after, we will have half of Form 1 and Form 3. And then on the Monday the 14th, we'll have the other half of the Form 1 and Form 3. And this continues cycling through the 10 days. As I mentioned before, the Form 4s and 5s, the full groups will be coming in. They are not being split. The Form 5s will be coming in every day to school because they are working on their SBAs. And the Form 4s will be coming in every other day. On the day A, so the first day of the Monday timetable, the first day of the Tuesday timetable. To get accustomed to this, I would recommend that students and teachers remind each other what the timetable would be the next day until you get accustomed with it. So after Monday 7, please remind your friends, remind your students that the Tuesday would be a repeat of the Monday's timetable. Tuesday, remind everyone that it will be a Tuesday timetable on Wednesday the 9th until we get accustomed, okay? So the timetable will be running as day 1, day 2, A and B, day 3, A and B, day 4, A and B, and day 5, A and B. The key that is given with your timetable will help you understand what each of those days represent. I hope this helps. God bless and stay safe, everyone.